I'm going to quickly show you Flick.tech and just show you why I like it so much. And it is a paid tool, and I'm really happy to, give you guys a link to it later on in today's webinar. So this is my Flick.tech. It tells me what is ranking. So it shows me that I'm ranking on some hashtags, which has really helped me. Part of it has helped me really grow. It shows me what my top performing hashtags are, and it shows me all the different hashtags I've used. But one of the cool things that it does, and I'm just going to show this with you, I'm going to pull, we'll use you person because you've got, we'll do Indian spices. So you can search for Indian spices like this, and it's going to go like this, like a hashtag, enter. And then what will happen is it will show you all the different hashtags that you can use, and it shows you the competition score. So obviously we want to have a mix of low competition, medium competition, and high competition hashtags, ones that people use all the time.